Now, let us learn how to find out the hybridization shape as well as number of multiple bonds, different types of multiple bonds in perchloric acid. So, what is the formula of perchloric acid? Perchloric acid formula HClO4. So, chlorine first ground state, first excited state, second excited state. Now we have to go to third excited state. Now we have to go to the third excited state. So now second excited state. So now let us go to third excited state. So this is 3s. I'm sorry. This is 3p. This is 4d. So third excited state. In third excited state, what will happen? This electrons also will get excited to vacant d. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now see, first let us draw the outline of perchloric acid. So OH is here, chlorine is here, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. So 4 bonds are there. So OH will form one sigma bond, O will form second bond, next oxygen will form third bond, next oxygen will form fourth bond. So one OH group, second, third, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So therefore, electron donated by OH covalent bond like this. Therefore, sp3 hybridization, 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals accounted for sigma bonds. Next, we have to account for pi bonds. So this is first pi bond, second pi bond, third pi bond. So first pi bond, second pi bond, third pi bonds. So this is these are all p pi bonds. So chlorine will have formed d pi bonds. Therefore we have 3 d pi p pi chlorine double bond oxygen for perchloric acid. Then, what is the shape of this molecule? Do you have any lone pair? No lone pairs on chlorine. Therefore, shape is tetrahedral.